What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your Bose 700 ear cushions. And before we get deep into the video, make sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Let's get into it. So in order for you to begin replacing your cushions, you're going to need a set of cushions, obviously. So I'm using Wicked cushions. I've been using them for the last 2 years, as you saw with my Solo 3's replacement video. Excellent quality cushions. Not only are they glued, but it's also stitched to ensure excellent quality of it not coming apart anytime soon. Also, when it comes to removing the actual ear pads from your Bose 700 headphones, there are 2 ways you can do this. Now, because as you can see, it has clips, you can remove it by just putting your nail between these 2 and just pulling, or you can use a butter knife, something that's not that sharp, so that way it won't damage the outside of your headphone. So in my case, I'm just going to remove the ear cushion using my nail by just placing it right in between that wedge and pulling. I'm going to be very careful, make sure that you are careful as well. As you can see, I popped the first clip, and you can then carefully go around and pop the other clips as well. And there you go, it's removed. So same thing with the other ear cushion. You can just align it with the clips like I'm going to do now. And again, be very careful when doing this and don't be aggressive with the pressure. Once you installed it, make sure that there are no gaps around the cushion itself. Make sure that you properly installed it and you heard all the clips snapping in. Now for this other ear cushion, I'm going to show you how to replace both the ear cushion and the ear pad itself inside. So let me show you that now. So when you do buy a set of Wicked cushions, they do include the ear pads themselves as well. So the left and right one. So let me begin removing this ear cushion. Again, I'm going to put my finger right through that gap and then start pulling, and then carefully pull all the way around. So to remove the ear pad cover, you're just going to simply pull and just be a little light with it. Don't be aggressive, and keep going, and same thing here. Now, you might have a little bit left here, but we're going to keep that as is. Now you're going to remove this adhesive right here, so that way you are sticking in the Bose 700 replacement on a clean surface. Once you removed all the adhesive from the back of the ear cushion or the ear pad, you're just going to simply align it as best as you can. And there you go. Now we just take our other cushion and we just install it. Again, with the clips, be very careful. So this is the finished product, and this is what the ear cushions look like installed. As you can see, there's no gaps all along the ear cushions. All the clips have been snapped in properly, and there's no issues at all. And I gotta say, I love how these black camel ear cushions look on my Bose 700 headphones. Makes it look nice, aggressive, stealthy, and I definitely recommend them. So this was my video on how to replace your Bose 700 ear cushions. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them down below. Hope you have a great day. Take care.